Guys, you must have never seen this amazing wood stove. Let me demonstrate how to unbox it. Take out the stove. It's about 12 kilograms, so you can pick it up easily like this. Be attention, there is a metal disc in the box. It's the front door of the stove. Don't miss it. You can see here we got a ring of rack, a toolkit, and a fireproof cotton. Take out all the accessories. Here we got a fire tong, an ash spoon, 3 legs of rack, a door fastener, a handle for the other side. This rack is used for holding big size pot. Stick all the legs on the ring, then assemble it on the stove like this. Now I'm going to use these tools to install the front door. Use this hexagonal screwdriver to loosen the screw. Then attach the door fastener to screw hole and screw it tight again. Next, attach this front door to the fastener. Loosen this small screw, then push it to the door fastener and screw it tight again. Next, we assemble the handle on the other side. Hold it on position, then make these 2 screws tight. Use this hexagonal screwdriver to make sure they are tight enough. Finally, check the fan blower. This Type-C cable can connect the fan blower to the battery power bank or a household socket. Connect it to the fan and turn on the fan. Hear the sound to check if the fan is working. Can you hear it? Keep the spare fireproof cotton. It can replace the old one when the old cotton is broken. Okay, you can take it out and enjoy your outdoors life now.